This just in, a duck has gained superpowers from a battery. What did this duck do, and did it get superpowers? We now take you to Hamburg area middle school, where our very own Kaylin has the chance to speak to this newfound celebrity. To you, Kaylin.
Thanks, Billy Bob. I'm Kaylin Sprossi of WasCam News, here with the duck of the day. Tell us, how did you get your superpowers?
Well, 3 days ago I walked to my favorite place in the world, the East Penn factory. Then, my friend presented me with a strange object. Then suddenly, poof, something magical happened. I absorbed the energy of the battery and it gave me powers. That just goes to show how energizing Deca batteries are.
Wow, a Deca battery can do all of that?
And more. Why don't we go take a trip to the factory and see how these batteries are made?
That sounds like a plan to me. Well, Billy Bob, it seems like I'm going on an adventure with a duck.
So,
Let's go!
When did Deca get started?
Well, actually it started in 1946. My grandfather was working at a battery company and said, you know what, my son and I could do this. And so he decided that's how they're going to get started.
East Penn has a 520-acre manufacturing plant in Lyons, Pennsylvania. It also has a facility in Corydon, Iowa, to help with its widespread growth.
So what makes Deca stand out in the battery industry?
The quality of our product is one of the best quality products that you can get.
It started out as a one-room battery shop, but over 7 remarkable decades, today East Penn has grown into one of the world's leading battery manufacturers. East Penn can produce about 100 batteries per minute. Another great asset are its employees. It has over 10,000 employees.
So what's the best part about working here at East Penn?
So to me, the best part about working here at East Penn is troubleshooting problems and being able to fix them. It's very rewarding.
Their employees love to work at East Penn. That's why it is a 20-year recipient of one of the best places to work in Pennsylvania. They sure stayed true to their slogan, people powering the world.
First, a Deca duck. Who knew? Anyway, make sure to tune in to...
Hey, get back here!
How to duck get on my show.
Hey, why are you getting here anyway? Get back here! This is the Kaylin's...
No ducks were harmed during the making of this video.